There are two primary methods for adding videos to your school community or course: direct upload and embedding. Direct uploading means uploading your video file directly to school servers. Embedding involves using videos from external platforms. Direct uploading involves uploading your video file, such as MP4, MOVI, AVI, or WebM, up to 2 gigabytes directly to school servers. To do this, log into your school account, navigate to your desired community or course, select Add Lesson or Edit Course, and then choose Media, Upload Video. Videos hosted on Skool benefit from fast streaming and integration with Skool's progress tracking. You can set videos as public, private for community-only access, or premium for paid access. Embedding involves copying the embed code from a video hosting platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or Loom and pasting it into Skool's lesson editor. To embed, get the embed code from the source platform, then in Skool's lesson editor, select Embed Video and paste the code. This works with platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Loom. Embedded videos retain the features of their original platform, but don't count towards your school storage limits. Skool supports iframe embeds, ensuring responsiveness across devices. Choose the method that best suits your needs, based on storage considerations, desired features, and content ownership. For direct uploads in Skool, navigate to the Upload Video section in your lesson editor. Select your video file from your computer. Supported formats include MP4, MOV, and WebM. The upload will begin automatically. Once uploaded, add a title and description for your video. Set privacy options to control who can view it: public, private for your community, or premium for paid access. To minimize buffering, optimize your videos for the web using 1080p resolution and H.264 encoding. This ensures smooth playback for your learners. For embedding videos, start by going to your chosen video platform, such as YouTube. Find the video you want to embed, click the Share button, and select the Embed option to copy the iframe code. Back in Skool's lesson editor, navigate to the Embed section and select Video. Paste the embed code into the field provided. Skool's AI-powered tools, released in 2024-2025, can automatically generate captions, chapter markers, and summaries for your videos, making them more accessible and interactive. Always preview your uploaded or embedded video before publishing to ensure it displays correctly and functions as expected.